Welcome to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today I'm making Atta roll nashta, a crisp, mildly sweet snack made with wheat flour, perfect for tea time or quick cravings. Simple ingredients, traditional taste. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl, mix half cup sugar with 1/4 cup water. And keep aside. In another bowl, add half cup wheat flour, half cup flour, 2 tablespoons suji. Add half teaspoon cardamom powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon desiccated coconut, 1 tablespoon sesame seeds, and 2 tablespoon ghee. Mix everything well until the ghee melts into the flour. Suji helps make rolls crispier. Atta snacks have a rich traditional taste. Now add the sugar water mixture and mix well. Keep the dough aside for 10 minutes. Take a portion of dough, roll it evenly. Resting the dough improves texture. Roll evenly for uniform frying. Sesame seeds add aroma and crunch. Trim the edges and cut into pieces. Now fold as shown. Heat oil in a pan and fry on medium heat until golden and crispy from both sides. Fry on medium heat for crisp layers. Wheat flour provides natural fiber. Sesame seeds add healthy fats. Homemade snacks avoid preservatives, best enjoyed in moderation. Remove and drain excess oil. Your Atta roll nashta is crispy, aromatic, and perfectly golden. Enjoy it fresh with tea or milk. Try this recipe at home and share your feedback. Follow Enoven Cake and Cookies for more traditional snacks.